Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my exam was on 6th January, 4th shift. Although my exam didn't go well, I thought of sharing the questions so that it will be helpful for the other candidates also. So coming to the English section, the RC was on the acorn woodpeckers, regarding the lifestyle of the woodpeckers, how they used to store the seeds in the branches, and how the California family got to know about. So like this, the whole passage was on the acorn woodpeckers, and it was easy to read. And the questions were how did that California family got to know about the birds. Then the next was on because they used to store the seeds especially in winters, because in order to avoid the scarcity of the food, they used to store their seeds in the winter. So the question was like this: so which of the following is true regarding the passage? The third question was the acorn woodpeckers used to store the seeds in which of the following? So the options were on walls, in tree branches, and other two options were also there. I don't remember, but the answer was all of the above. And the next question was a blank. So I think the answer for this is survival. That is next they asked the synonym of source. I think the answer for this is supply. They have given the options similar to this, like basis, supply. I think a supply will suit here, and other options were not relevant. So if you answered correctly, please do comment in the comment section. The next was another synonym, and that was hold. I think answer for this is keep. I don't remember the other options. And the next question was on, so how the acorn woodpeckers are beneficial for um, both animals, or the dependent animals, and for the birds also. So like that it was there. And one more question was that is antonym. I don't remember what was the antonym asked here, but it was easy one. The next question was on parajumble. It had 5 questions, I think from A to E, and the start of the sentence was globally, I think. But the parajumble was tough, so I tried really hard but could not make it. And the next question was on error detection. Even this was also hard. It had 5 questions. And the next questions were on fillers. I think fillers were easy, it was doable, and it had 5 to 6 questions. So next question was on word swap. I think only 2 questions were asked from this. Okay, so I think one question was having 2 swaps and other one was having 1, and they asked 4 questions on the misspelled words. So I think parajumble and error detection was difficult in this, so my attempts were only 22 in this section. So coming to the quant section, so it had a bar graph di, and the data which they gave was easily like it was easy to extract. Like they had given the data in the form of 150, 130, and 110. So like that it was there. So the questions were 5. They are easy to solve. Next, simplification. I think the questions were 1 to 12 questions were there, so they are easy to solve. So later they asked one caselet DI. I think it was regarding the wooden toys and clay. I don't remember the exact data, but I got one data as 300 and another as 150, I think. So this was clay and this was wooden toys. So the data was like equation form. So only I think 3 questions were there. So I skipped this at first. So thought of solving in the later. The next actually. So actually I skipped this. So then I tried to answer the number series. Actually they had given the wrong number series. Hardly I did 1 or 2 here because they were very difficult. Since I chose the wrong number series to solve at first, so I didn't get the time to solve the arithmetic section and caselet DI. Even though I extracted the data from the caselet DI, I was not able to mark the answers. And because of the tension, even in arithmetic section, I didn't do well. So in the percentage section, I think the question was on income. So the person spent 20% of his income on rent, and from the remaining income, so he spent I think 26% on food, and remaining I think 14% or something, I don't remember this, but he spent on transport. So from this we have to calculate his salary. It was easy one, but I made mistakes somewhere, so I was not able to attend this. Next question was on profit loss. Like an article is marked by 1800 rupees and he has given a discount of 25%. So I think the difference between CP and MP, I think, I don't remember exactly. The next question was on ages. So they had given the ages of Tina, I think Rohit or Anauk. They had given the ratio between the Rohit and Rohit and Anauk, that is I think like this, and they had given the ratio between the Tina and Rohit. So I think 3A 4A something like that. So overall I was getting 9A is equal to 108 and the value of A is 2. Okay, so I was getting A value as 12 and they asked the Tina's age 12 years before. So here I was getting the Tina's age as 12 3s are 36. So we have to calculate the age of Tina 12 years ago. So I got the answer as 24. Next question was on mixture allocation. So here they had given the milk and water. So firstly the question was like this. So in a mixture the percentage of milk is 80% more than that of the water, and 10 liter of water is withdrawn from the mixture and 3 liters of water is added, 3 liters of milk is added. So we have to find out the initial quantity of solution, I think. So like this they asked the question. So mensuration, I think it was regarding the rectangle, rectangle. So it was on rectangle. Since the questions were lengthy in this section, so I was able to answer only 22 to 24 questions, I think. I don't remember the exact questions I attempted. So coming to the reasoning section, it was easy, doable. and the first question was on Silox. I think 3 to 4 questions were on Silox, no inequality, and yes, 8 box arrangement was there, 5 questions, and next to day based puzzle like Monday to Sunday, so 5 questions, and another puzzle sitting arrangement was there like row based, 5 in a row, a total 10 persons. But in this question I made a mistake. I think instead of taking the D third from last, I took it as the last person. So I solved this question 4 times because I read the question wrongly. So even though I solved these questions, in last I was left with only 8 seconds, so I was not able to do this question. Next was that is alphanumeric based series like numbers, letters, symbols. So here the questions were like this: if an element is immediately preceded by consonant and immediately followed by number, we have to find out how many elements are like this. Next was which of the element is fourth to the right of 10th from the right hand. Next question was on meaningful word. Actually I don't remember the answer for this. I think 2, leave it. So next was word format like a pair formation. So I think formation, I think 3 was the answer for this pair formation, in the sense they had given like numbers, so number 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, so 12, so like this I had given the numbers. So another question was we have to add all the even numbers present and all the odd numbers, like we have to subtract the sum of even numbers and sum of odd numbers. So I was getting the answer as 0. So next question, yes, Chinese coding. Actually it was 12, but it took a lot of time from me. 5 questions. I only remember these questions, and there was no blood relation and no inequality. So but the paper was easy. I think I was only able to attend 24 to 26 questions in this section, but my paper didn't go well, so I am very sad about that. Okay, hope it helps. Thanks for watching.